Well, welcome to Guyana. This is the Chetty Jagan International Airport, Tamari. The local time 8:30 a.m. This is 5 minutes ahead of our scheduled arrival. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a stop and the seatbelt sign is switched on. For your safety, you must leave all your hand baggage in its stowed position. The aisle and exits must be kept clear. Once we have stepped at our side gate, you will be invited to disembark. Do remember when leaving to take with you all your belongings, and we ask that you be careful when opening the overhead lockers. Items may have shifted during flight and may fall, causing injury to you or to others nearby.